Hi, all of you. Welcome to Quant Masters. I'm Himanshu Sharma, and with us we have Arijit, who's from Jharkhand, who recently took up his NQT interview, TCS NQT, on 26th of November 2020. Hi, Arijit.
Hi, sir.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good, Arijit. We are very happy to know that your interview has gone well, and we are very happy for that.
Thank you, sir.
Uh,
And before starting this session, I want to share one thing that
yeah.
interview and all that thing, whichever thing happened yesterday and whatever I will share,
Mm-hmm.
this all credit goes to you and your team and Quant Masters that I followed. I followed all your resources and videos, and it helped me a lot. And I think everyone should see and get the experience of that.
Superb, superb. We are very delighted to hear this. Thank you very much for your words, Arijit. So, Arijit, there are one important announcement to be made. We are the first ones to make it. TCS NQT results is out in one of the colleges down south in Tamil Nadu in Chennai. Okay, so TCS results are out. NQT results is out over there in that college. We have around 220 students who got selected out of 370. Out of 370, 220 students were selected, and even they got their cognizant Gen C results, and 200 students were selected out of 320. This is the results which we got, and it's quite a good number. All of you, 220 out of 370 is quite a good number. It is approximately around 60%. 60 to 65% of people got selected in NQT, and even in Gen C, out of 320, 200 people is actually again a good number. It is approximately again around 60 to 65%. So one thing which we noticed is the number of people getting selected in Ninja Profile, as well as for Gen C. It's quite good. The rate is 6.5, 65% out of 100% is quite good. Am I right, Arijit?
Yes,
If your
definitely.
interview has gone well, then definite stay relaxed that you will get selected for sure, because they are selecting in good quantities.
Hopefully, sir. I'm waiting for that.
So that adds four more stars onto your smile, right?
Yes, sir. I
Okay,
kept
so
that smile all through my interview.
okay, super. So, Arijit, we would like to know your interview experience which you had in QT. Before we continue, Arijit, there are so many students who are asking, sir, I haven't received mail from TCS, sir, that I have my interview. I didn't receive any message, any text, any mail from them, sir. Does that mean I'm rejected? No. Okay, you will be getting, even today, my students are getting mails from TCS for Ninja Profile, for digital profile, saying that, you have your interview scheduled tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So you don't have to panic. Relax. Okay, if you have done well, just relax. Even if you have not done well, even if you're not selected, it is fine. Peace of mind is more important. You will get selected in the next company for sure. Please be
In
peaceful. Okay, that
January
is,
also NQT is going to be held, I think.
huh?
In January also they announced that NQT will again be held.
Definitely, definitely. In Jan, people who couldn't clear NQT right now, in Jan, again it will be conducted. Okay, so you still have another chance to prepare
You
well
will get
for
extra time
NQT,
to
score
prepare.
well, and yeah, clear the interview. Okay, so you don't have to worry. People who have still not received, stay relaxed. You will be getting the list very soon. You will be getting your mails. Am I right?
Yes,
Arijit, I think the same happened with you also, right? You received the
I waited.
congratulation mail. When did you receive the congratulation mail?
I received the mail on 10th of November because before the Diwali occasion.
When, when was Diwali, by the way? 15th of November, right? Diwali.
14th
14th
of
of November.
November.
Okay, okay, huh. And when did you
I
receive?
was quite nervous that time.
Huh, mhm.
I was quite nervous that time that on 10th I received the mail. Then I thought that my interview may scheduled between before Diwali or something,
Huh.
but it didn't happen. I had to wait for more than 10 days.
Okay, 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 okay. My students, they received the mail on first week of November. Still, they haven't got the slots. They are every day they're asking me, sir, am I rejected? Am I rejected and all. So when after you got the congratulation mail on 10th of November, when was the next mail you got? Which date?
23rd. 23rd of November, I received a mail in the afternoon, 12:30 in the afternoon, that congratulations, you are selected for Ninja interview, and the details of all that documents that I have to carry, and I have to keep the soft copy and hard copy. And the recruiters, means the HR person and the TR and the MR, their names and their mail address, and the application form details, that I have to make sure that in the next step portal my application form is received.
Okay, okay. And it is complete also, right?
Accepted that.
Okay. So 10 to 23, which means approximately 13.5 days. After 13.5 days, you received. So people, he got it after 2 weeks. Okay, so you can still wait. Interviews are still going on. So might be you wait for a week.
I want to add one thing, that the system is of like dividing the slots of grade A college, then B college, then C kind of thing. I means researched about it. So I think the earlier mails who have received in earlier, they were of grade A college.
Even the results which has come out, no, which I shared right now, NQT 220 out of 370, Gen C 200 out of 320. Even this is a premium college. So even results you can expect premium colleges will be getting first, followed by tier 2, followed by tier 3. Am I right, Arijit?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So 23rd you received 12:30, saying that you have a slot on which day?
On 26th of November.
Wow, you got
10
time again to prepare more.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So 26th.
Then
26th you had at what time?
10 a.m. morning.
So
I have to be ready with my laptop with internet connection at 10 a.m. on 10 a.m. to join with the link.
So was
but
it
I received the link.
So,
I received the link one day before the interview on 9:30 p.m. 25th of November. It was of Microsoft Teams link.
Okay. So 10 o'clock when you entered, were the HRs there on time?
Actually, I didn't knew the process to do meeting in Microsoft Teams. I haven't means any experience in that. So I joined properly, but I could not see anyone in the panel. So I mailed again that I couldn't see anyone. I have joined. I don't know the exact procedure to join, but I have selected the link and I have joined the meeting. But after a few minutes, I could see all the panelists. Yeah. They contacted me in the video call, and they said, one of the ma'am, she was HR. She told that we are seeing that there are 5 members active right now in the meeting. So we can't take everyone's interview together. So we will take slot by slot. So everyone have to wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, everyone would have to rejoin the meeting. Then we will take one by one.
Okay.
Then I waited for 15 minutes more. After that, I joined again. And I was quite lucky that I was taken the first as a first candidate. I think so, because after 15 minutes, in few minutes, I was able to start my interview.
Okay. So when you entered, were you able to see the faces of all the 3 or only one or none?
All three. First, all 3.
You could see all the 3?
All 3. Wow. Among which HR ma'am introduced that we are starting your interview, and I'm giving towards heading towards TR. So see. Then TR sir's first question was, Arijit, are you tensed? Then I smiled and said, sir, no, I'm not tensed at all. But I'm curious about the questions that which I have to answer.
Okay. Nice. That was a nice answer.
Then he said that, okay, then we can start.
Okay, that is a nice answer. You're not tensed.
I was prepared and I was not feeling. means honestly I'm saying that I had that confidence yesterday to attend that session and all, and that credits goes to Quant Masters, that all the experiences I have seen and I have gained the knowledge that how to cope up with the questions.
Nice. So
I was
what were the
prepared.
questions asked in TR?
So first questions, I was prepared a lot about my core subjects,
Mm-hmm.
means data structures, algorithms, object-oriented concepts,
Mm-hmm.
and C and Java. I haven't mentioned any project which I have completed, but I have mentioned one IoT 1 week program which was held in our college, through our college. But questions were very basic of C language and Java programming language, like what is C function, what is a pointer, and what is basic difference, three differences between C language and Java programming languages, and file structure system, file system and structure system, difference between file system and structure system.
Okay. Okay. Huh.
First of all, I introduced myself. He told me to introduce myself. I introduced, then he asked about the questions.
Okay. Okay. Then.
These many questions were asked in the TR technical round. Then he said that, okay, I am satisfied by you. Now, MR ma'am will take your session.
Okay.
So I told okay. Then MR ma'am appeared, but she closed her video call. So she was talking to me. She was telling something I heard, but I couldn't see her. So I told her that, ma'am, I couldn't see you. She told that, no, Arijit, I have hidden myself, my camera. So I have closed that. So okay, then she started the video also.
Okay. Okay.
Then she asked about, have you managed anything till now? Any such experience in as a team? Then one experience I had recently during the pandemic, that I have created one WordPress site. It was customized site, and I created a WordPress site in which I used to share the contents of different peoples. Means it was kind of promoting contents, anyone who had like artistic approach or quotes or shairi, anything, kind of like just indulging people to work together.
Nice.
So I shared that we had a team of more than 10 members. I created that. I purchased the hosting and domain from GoDaddy and all, and I created the WordPress site. I customized and designed all the site, and then we decided to customize it with the experiences from the day one. So we had a great experience, and we have more than 600 followers in our FB page within few months.
Super, very nice.
She told that, okay, then how did you manage to motivate them, like your team members? So I told her that I used to share daily analysis, that whatever traffic we were getting in the website, and even if we were getting one or two contents in one day, I used to share that we are getting, at least we are getting, that's enough for us, that we have started and our initiative is going good.
Correct.
So that's what motivate everyone.
Super. That's a very nice way of telling. Even we are getting one, still we are not giving up. We are not demotivated. That is a nice way to answer.
At least one person is also interested to share his content with us.
Okay. Good.
After that, and before, one question I missed, that TR sir asked that whatever you haven't done any project yet, so which technologies are you willing to work on for your final year project? Because final year we are having a project.
So one thing which is to be noted, Arijit, is many students had asked, sir, what if we have not done a project? What should we do? So it is totally fine if you have not done a project. You don't have to worry. More further will be told by Arijit. Yes.
This was my confusion before my interview, but I was confident that whatever I have learned, I will give my best with that only.
Okay. Okay.
So I skipped that project part, not mentioned in the resume too, and not mentioned in my introduction too. So
Mm-hmm.
I told, but I explained the whatever approach I am going to do for the final year project.
Okay.
So I told that we have found one problem, that there are blood donors, active blood donors around us,
Mm.
and sometimes they forget that how many months they are passed after giving the blood, donating the
Mm-hmm.
blood. So we are creating a social networking kind of site for
Mm.
the blood donors, so that they can get that reminder and all, and the places where the camp is going on, so that
Mm.
they can join there and donate blood.
Okay.
Based upon their registration, they will be getting their dashboard and all
Mm.
kind of thing. And I shared that initially we are thinking of making a website, and
Mm.
later on we may switch to Android app also.
Okay. Okay. Super. Very nice.
Then his next question was, uh, for development, will you use HTML, CSS or
Mm.
something else? I
Mm.
told, yes, sir, HTML, CSS definitely.
Mm.
So he said, then JavaScript. I told, yes, sir, JavaScript too. But I am learning one more technology, which is
Mm.
I am beginner in that.
Mm.
It is Flutter development
Mm.
tool, which is by Google,
Mm.
and it's very helpful because it is cross development tool. Means
Okay.
I can write a code and build an app,
Mm.
and it can be run on all the platforms, iOS, website, and Android application.
Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm.
So he was quite impressed with that, that yeah, you are learning a new technology.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
Then Mr. Ma'am asked that why TCS?
Mm.
Means why do you want to join TCS?
Mm-hmm.
Then I answered that, ma'am, TCS is doing great in the IT service providing field,
Mm.
and it has more than 140 centers all over the world, and
Mm.
more than 40, it is established in 46 countries till now.
Mm.
And due to excellence, it is doing very nice, and everywhere we can observe the excellence in services of Tata Group.
Mm.
So I want to join this firm, and it would be a great opportunity for me to work
Mm.
as a fresher here.
Mm. Okay.
So after that, she asked that there are many MNC right now,
Mm.
and everyone is offering work from home.
Mm.
So why would you choose TCS only? Means what is the difference between TCS and other MNCs?
Mm.
Then I mentioned that the work ethics, the values that is possessed, and that 5 values I've seen, I've observed in the website of TCS, and all
Okay.
that work ethics, and this only I've shared. The excellence in the services, this I shared that, due to which, and one quotation I mentioned which impressed her. Means
Mm-hmm.
I read one quotation given by Ratan Tata ji, that
Mm.
don't take perfect decision, take
Mm.
decisions and make it perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So I shared that, ma'am, this quote inspired me a lot, and I would love to join a firm which
Mm.
has this kind of values. So
Okay.
she was impressed. She was
Mm.
smiling fully that,
Mm.
yeah, you have gone through a lot of things regarding TCS.
Okay.
Then she switched to HR.
Okay. Okay. Then what did HR ask?
HR was observing all my session, throughout my session.
Uh,
After she asked that, yeah, Rijit, I have heard all your uh, words before earlier.
mm.
So I think you have done a good research about TCS.
Okay.
So
Mm.
can you imagine, or can you guess what is the current employee count of TCS in India?
Mm.
So I was not sure about that, and I haven't seen that. I
Mm.
haven't gone through it, like
Mm.
the employee count. So I thought that it is recruiting more than 20,000 per year.
Mm.
So it must have between 4 to 5 lakh
Mm.
employee,
Mm.
minimum 4
Mm.
lakh.
Okay.
So suddenly it struck in my head, and I told her that, ma'am, I'm not sure, but I think it must be between 4 to 5 lakh. I think.
Mm. Mm.
She said that you are absolutely correct. Even I
Mm.
am not sure about the exact count, but you are absolutely correct that it is between 4 to 5 lakh. I am sure about that. It is
Mm.
4 to 5 lakh.
Mm.
So I'm impressed by your research done towards our firm, and I'm very happy that you have done such a good research.
Point to be noted, all of you.
Then she
That
told me,
yeah.
that, okay, Arjit, I am satisfied with you. Now I will be taking 2 to 3 minutes to share with you the procedures which you will be going through after the offer letter or something. Before that, one tricky question was asked, and I was prepared for that. She firstly asked that which is the nearest TCS center from your home. So I said I belong to East Zone. I am from Jharkhand, and the nearest TCS is Kolkata.
Kolkata. Okay.
So she smiled, and she smiled that, okay, Arijit, imagine I have given you the offer letter. Imagine you have got the offer letter, and I have bounded you for 3 years in South India. Then what will you do? So I was ready for this question to answer it fully with my spirit that, yes, ma'am. I smiled. I said, yes, ma'am, I haven't got the opportunity yet to visit South India. But in my future or in my job role, if it is required to work in South India or anything, I would love to explore that place and I would love to work there also.
Okay.
So she was also happy with that.
Super.
So
People,
the last,
one second. One thing to note here is people, his knowledge on TCS that he had researched had created a very nice impression on the HR. So please remember to know as much as possible about TCS before you go for the interview. Okay. Because definitely they will ask you a question. Whomever interviews that I have taken right now out of 10, minimum 7 to 8 people they have asked this question: why TCS? Tell me about TCS. Am I right, Arijit?
yes, sure.
Okay.
That's why I was prepared for that to answer about the firm also.
Okay. Okay.
And then she explained me, she told me about the policies, like you will be getting, you will be going through a background check of your marks and all, and you will be going through a criminal check of your before the joining date,
Correct.
and you will be getting a bond of 1 year. So this all. And she asked few questions which I think she had one form in her portal or something in her laptop, which she filled up, asking me like, have any graduation? I said no. He told, okay. Have you any bachelor curriculum? I said no. Do you have 60% aggregate minimum in all your academics? I told yes. And one issue was there, which I mentioned with, I told her that, ma'am, during the application form fill up, I was not getting the option of filling the 12th standard marks with the percentage which I have got. I have to fill up with the CGPA criteria, but I multiplied with the factor of 9.5, but the computer or the system multiplied with the factor of 10. So my percentage difference came of 4%. I got 86% in 12, but it was showing 90%. So she told, no, that's not issue, because you just need to be 60% above aggregate in all your academics. So I told, no, I have more than 80% in all my academics till now.
So that's not an issue. Okay. So then anything else, Arijit?
Lastly, she told me that, do you have any question? Then I was prepared for that too. So I asked that, ma'am, I am implementing these technologies like Flutter app development, cross-platform development and all, HTML, CSS. And apart from that, I have also interest in data science fields. That's why I'm learning Python programming too. I'm beginner in that. So will I be getting the opportunity to work with these technologies in this job role? So she smiled and said that, Ajit, I'm not sure about it, because what role you will be getting, that's not yet confirmed. So if you will get to work with the work which included that technology, you will surely use that technology. but
Okay.
right now I can't assure you.
Okay. Okay.
So I told, okay, ma'am, I have no further questions. So
Okay.
she told me to leave the session.
Okay. Fine. Super. So that was a very nice interview which happened with you, Arijit. So any advice that you would like to
And
tell all
I'm
the
very
viewers who are watching right now? Anything that you would like to tell?
I would like to share that just be confident and be honest with whatever you have learned. Don't try to manipulate them or anything which you haven't gone through. Just share with them those qualities which you have,
Hmm.
means in real.
Hmm.
And if you have mentioned something in the resume,
Hmm.
then be prepared to answer that. There
Okay.
is no scope to run
Correct.
apart from it.
Correct. Correct. Okay. So thank you, Arijit.
And
Thanks a lot for your time.
one thing more,
Yeah. Yeah.
one thing more.
Yeah.
Quant Master is doing great initiative, and I am very thankful that I
Hmm.
am sharing this session with you. And few days earlier, I was watching this kind of session,
Hmm.
and today my session will okay. Thanks a lot.
Okay. So we couldn't get the last part, but yeah, we understood that, it helped you for your interviews.
No, I told that it's doing great initiative for all the freshers and all,
Okay.
and for that only I am very thankful that I am sharing my experience, which I was watching others' experience few days earlier.
Okay. 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 Thank you. We are very happy that, students are getting benefited, and we are also contributing to the society like how you people do. So let's hope for the best. Let's hope everybody gets selected, placed, and they take care of their families.
Don't get frustrated with anything.
Huh.
Just give your best efforts, and you will get the result surely.
Definitely, definitely. So thank you very much for those knowledge that you shared, Arijit. We wish you
Thank
all
you.
the best for your results. Do let us know about your results. We would be very happy to share.
Sure.
Yeah.
Surely I will share, and if further any help or anything required, I will surely cooperate with you.
Done, done. Fine. Thank you, Arijit. Thanks a lot. So I hope you people got the much needed information. This was NQT conducted on 26th of November 2020. The same type of question, the same pattern of questions are being asked to students, which was asked from the start, which means from the start of the interview, which I shared, the same question, the same pattern, the same level of difficulty is asked. Okay, so do watch our video. If you haven't watched, this will definitely give you an edge over others when it comes to preparation of not only NQT interviews, but any interviews. Okay. So with this, we wish you all the best. Be patient. If you have still not received, you will definitely receive it. Keep working till then. Keep brushing up your concepts. Keep learning more and more. See how you can impress the HR with your knowledge. Okay. The thing is, you don't have to be desperate to get into the company. Let the company be desperate to take you inside. With this, I wish you all the best. Take good care of yourselves. Keep smiling.